an easy one. That means just create a average of that one, the particular means score. Okay. Then identify the highest score and corresponding student of each department. So first we need to finding the order by then student of each department. If you use, what will happen, you will get the complete details of that one. The third one, calculate the total number of students who took each subject. Okay, who took each total, the total number of student who took each subject. Okay, that means how many. For example, there are subject means math, science, this one. So we need to count of the students also there. Next one will be the find the subject with the highest average score. Subject, which subject will need the highest average. So we will keep, I will show you this one here. Mm. So the first question, normally, whatever the normally we are doing, like from Pyspark SQL, import Spark session, then Spark dot function, import call average max counter, then creating a Spark session here. Okay, name is student score analysis, load the data set, data equal to this one. Okay, then columns equal to student id, subject score, df equal to spark dot create a data frame, data comma columns. First thing they will need like an average score per subject. Okay, average score per subject. So what we can do, like we just group by subject, then we need to be we need to be dividing. Okay, not dividing, it's an aggregate function of average of score. Then you can mention like average score, that will be helpful, the average score per subject. So that means we need to be opposite direction, we can go and group by subject, then average of aggregate of average of score and ideas as average score. That was also like a integer val. That is the reason we are giving like no, this is not an it will be written a kind of a tables kind of structure. So like this one. So definitely that time you can give like show, like subject max, science, English. Then average score will be this one. Then the next one will be the highest score and corresponding student per subject. Okay, highest score. How to find the highest score? You need to group by subject, then aggregate of maximum of score. So that will be help you to highest score per subject. Then highest score per student means this will be join the subject, based on the subject filter if the score equal to is the highest. So that will help you to the student list also. Then student list dot show. So the three step. First step we will be finding the means the subject wise the highest score. Then we will be iterating to each of the item with the score equal to this one, the highest score. If it is that one, that student dot name will be we can display. You can see here English 488, this highest score, science 5, student ID 5, 95, 95, this 6, 90, 90. Okay. Next one will be the total number of students per subject. Okay. Here it's like df dot group by subject, aggregate count of student ID, then total student. So that will help you to total number of student per subject. That means first group by, we didn't group by, then aggregate count, then we can give a number. So that will help you also. Like you can see here, max 2 student, science is 2 student, English 1 student, total 6 record. Correct. The last one, subject with the highest average score. Okay, subject with the highest average score. That is also simple. So what we can do, we just using the subject and order by average score descending, then limit of first. Then you can see here subject with the highest score equal to this one, equal to this subject has the highest average score. So this is the complete idea of the day 6 also. So you can see science will be the highest. So you can see here also the science 95. That is the reason science we can return here. Okay. Yeah. So that is about the day 6 also. And if you have any kind of answer, you can share with me. I will definitely answer these questions also. Okay. Yeah. So share the answers also with me, and we can connect tomorrow. And yeah, so this is the one for here itself.